You clean your shower glass until it looks perfect. But just days later, the cloudy film comes back. You wipe harder, you try different cloths, and somehow the glass still looks dirty. Most people think it's soap residue or leftover cleaner, so they keep scrubbing and scrubbing. But the real problem often isn't soap at all. It's what's left behind when water dries. In many homes, water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. When water evaporates, those minerals stay on the surface. Over time, those minerals build up as scale on glass, faucets, and even inside appliances. Cleaning removes what you see, but it doesn't stop new scale from forming tomorrow. That's why some homeowners stop treating the symptoms and start looking at the water entering the home. Salt-free water conditioners are designed to change how minerals behave, helping reduce their ability to stick and form scale. The goal isn't perfection. It's less buildup, less cleaning, and clearer glass over time.